So you don't want universal health care because you don't want to wait for days in an emergency room. Do you know what happens when people lose their health care? Do you know what is about to happen now that thanks to the cuts to Medicaid and the loss of ACA subsidies, upwards of 20 million people are about to be uninsured? It means that those people are going to stop seeking out preventative health care and they will start using the emergency room as their primary care. See, this is what we mean when we've been saying that these catastrophic healthcare policy decisions will affect everyone, not just the uninsured, because now on top of paying $1,500 per person for one single monthly premium, plus your copays and all out-of-pocket expenses until you meet that thousands of dollar deductible, you are now going to see emergency room wait times skyrocket in ways Americans cannot comprehend. We only have 2-for-1 deal there, but hey, at least you're not personally paying for anybody else's healthcare, except for you already are for the other people enrolled in your privatized healthcare, because that's just how health insurance works. But who do you think is going to cover the cost for those who are using the emergency room and are uninsured? How do you think the hospitals recoup those costs?